Hi guys, welcome to my daily vlog as a student taking a housekeeping subject. So for today's, I'm with my partner, Angge. So here's my partner, my kabardagulan, and my ka-teammates sa housekeeping. Totoo. So I'm here guys to proper demonstrate how to operate an automatic washing machine. Credits to Angge and Tita Mary Grace for letting me use their automatic washing machine. So let's get started! Simulan na natin!
Hi guys, so for today's I'm going to demonstrate how to properly operate an Electrolux washing machine. You can see here the power button, the start button, the program button, and the water level and time button. So first, check the automatic washing machine if it's clean. Next is check the voltage of the washing machine. After checking the voltage, plug the machine. After plugging it, open the faucet where the water supply is. Disclaimer, the water supply of Angge's washing machine is outside of their house. It is connected to this red hose. After opening the water supply, next is open the washing machine. Before loading the dirty clothes, make sure to separate the light colors from dark ones. Also, separate the clothes and linens according to their type. Moreover, soak first the dirty clothes for a few minutes, only water. After that, squeeze and wash the clothes by rubbing vigorously. In Tagalog, kusutin muna ito sa tubig. After that, it is ready to go in a washing machine. So now, first load the clothes. After loading the clothes, add the detergent powder and fabric conditioner. In this demonstration, I use a Tide powder detergent. Sadly, I don't have fabric conditioner. That's why it is optional if you want to put fabric conditioner or not. Based on the book instruction of Angge's washing machine, we can use powder detergent instead of liquid. After that, close the machine. Now for the next thing we need to do is set up the machine. Press the power button. After pressing the power button, select the water level. So I choose the water level 4. After that, select the program, which is delicate. Next thing I did is select the spin, which is short since the clothes is not so many. Then lastly, I select the rinsing times. Rinsing times means ilang beses babalawan, which is 3 times. Finally, after operating the washing machine, press the start or play button to start the machine. Tada! It's starting. The water is going to refill the machine. Just wait patiently till it reaches the set water level.
A few moments later.
It's drying time! Bye spinning! After spin drying, the cloth is now clean and ready to hang.